Now, Miss Samiha discuss about WH question word.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Samiha Sarwar. I read in class 8. My school name is Hyderabad School and College. Honorable Principal, respected all teacher and guardian. Welcome to all journalists. Congratulations, my dear friend and brother and sister. Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to you. Congratulations to you. What a wonderful you. I know you are intelligent, talented, brilliant, handsome, and meritorious student. So please listen to me. Now I want to discuss about WH question word. WH question word start WH and express question. WH question word are total 9. Number 1. What? What means asking for information about something. For example, what is your name? Number 2. When? When means asking about time. For example, when is your birthday? Number 3. Where? Where means asking about place. For example, where are you going? Number 4. Which means asking about choice. For example, which pen do you want? Number 5. Who means asking about person. For example, who is he? Number 6. Why means asking about reason. For example, why do you say that? Number 7. How means asking about quantity. For example, how are you? Number 8. Whom. Number 8. Whose means asking about ownership. For example, whose birthday today? Number 9. Whom means asking about person. For example, whom did you see? Hello, my dear friend. Please carefully study about WH question word because it is very important. Thank you.